Maayong adlaw mga higala. Welcome to my short video lesson. This is your Maestra Judy. I teach Conversational Bisaya Cebuano in my channel. In this short video, I will teach you how to say in Bisaya. So, we are going to fill in the blanks, okay, after say. Let's translate this. How to say blank in Bisaya. This is unsaon pagsulti og blank sa Bisaya. Let's break it down. How is unsaon? Unsaon. Say is sulti. Sulti. To say is pagsulti. Pagsulti. The prefix pag denotes condition or state of the action or how one thing is described. Functions similar to the preposition to. Pagsulti is how it is spoken. Then we have og. Og. Og is an objective article equivalent to a or an in the English language. You can see here, the og connects the verb to a noun and sometimes from an adjective to a noun. In is sa. Bisaya or Binisaya refers to the language. Some may find this confusing, but Bisaya could actually mean the people, at the same time the language. If you really want to be more accurate, you may use Binisaya. Okay, so Bisaya or Binisaya, both are acceptable. Okay, now let's practice and repeat after me. Unsaon. 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 Pagsulti. 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 Og. Og. Sa. Bisaya. Bisaya. Or Binisaya. Unsaon pagsulti og sa Bisaya. Unsaon pagsulti og sa Bisaya. For example, let's use chicken. Unsaon pagsulti og chicken sa Bisaya. Unsaon pagsulti og chicken sa Bisaya. Okay, dagang salamat mga higala. More lessons like this at Cebuano101.com. If you like this video, please don't forget to like. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. I'll see you again next time. Bye!